Ever hear a boom in the sky and wonder, what was that? That's thunder, the sound of lightning tearing through the sky. Here's how it works. When lightning strikes, it heats the air to around 30,000 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of the sun. This sudden heat makes the air explode outward super fast, creating a giant shockwave. That's the rumble you hear. Cool fact, the crackle, clap, or roll of thunder depends on how far away the lightning is, and even what the clouds and land around you are like. So next time you hear thunder, remember it's the sky shouting, "Lightning just happened!"